Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. I hope you guys get into Nvidia and Apple because those were the stocks that outperformed the market today, and people made nice profit in my Discord group on Nvidia. So please like and subscribe if you like what I do. I'm a human being. I cannot be right all the time, but I guarantee you I'm right most of the time. So let's take a look at our SPX and what I'm expecting the SPX to do Thursday and Friday. So first of all, we try to go down 2 days in a row. So yesterday we tried to go down, but then PM we got bought back up, and then today we try to go down again, but we only down about 6 points on the SPX. So if you look at this, we did not break the previous support at 2720. Instead, we came down half of what we came up on Wednesday. And if you remember what I said yesterday, we are going to come down half and then trying to retest to the upside. Let me open investing.com. This was a SPY yesterday. I was predicting to come down maybe here, but I never did. But this was okay. And then we'll try to break the 200 days EMA. I don't expect tomorrow to break through 2745, but it is very possible that we go near 2745 at 2740, and then we have a solid double top, and then we have a rejection. So here's the plan. Tomorrow you don't have to trade it, you can just listen to it, write it down, and then see if I'm right or wrong. So tomorrow, if we go to 2746, 2741, we're gonna have a double top, and then we're gonna reject. That's a green day, right? So tomorrow, if we have a green day on Friday, I guarantee you that we're gonna come down to 2720 or even 2715. Tomorrow, if we don't even test the double top, we come right down. That is a good sign to retest a little bit, come down a little bit before we go back up. If you look at the daily MACD, yes, we are kind of topping out, but today we did not have a big drop that I was expecting. So onto tomorrow, we are going to go back up again. That's what I'm seeing. Yes, look, if you look at the MACD, it is getting a little bit bearish, but the line still hasn't crossed yet, so it's still good. And then we're going to take a look at Nvidia. Today, all tech they were down, and Nvidia and Apple, those were the two that outperformed the tech sectors. So with Nvidia, I am projecting it to hit the 160. That's going to be a very strong resistance for Nvidia. So then you might have a pullback before we go higher. Am I going to hold my February 22nd call through ER? I am not 100% sure, because if I see some significant profit, I'm going to take and run and just play one call through ER. If the ER is very nice, we can see a run up to 185 that day. Like literally 20 points, that's nothing. So with Nvidia, I am still holding my calls, and they are good. So if you don't know about today, today Nvidia, we had a like a 4%, 5% rip to the upside, even though the market was down. At the end of the day, we're still in the 2% positive, which is like amazing. So this is the trend line I have for Nvidia. It looks like we are still above the trend line, so we are good. Anyhow, let's take a look at Apple. Those will be the two things I want to focus on today, because think about this: when the market is red, those two are outperforming the market. When the market is green, those two are skyrockets. And it might happen tomorrow when the market is green. With Apple, yes, it does look like a hanging man. It does look like it want to come down. So with tomorrow, I want to see if it bounces at a 10 days moving average. Most of the time when it bounces at a 10 days, we're expecting to go higher. And this projection was right on Apple. I want to remove this. And then I'm gonna say Apple will go to 176, and then major come back down. See if that's gonna happen tomorrow. One thing I do want to talk about is the bond markets. and what is going on right now. Not much happening. It's just consolidating, and then some action, some direction is going to happen. For me personally, I think the bond market is gonna go up. Therefore, our U.S. equity is going to come down. So that's my personal thinking. How high can we go on SPX? I want to see if we can break the 200 days moving average and stay above it. That means when it closes at the end, I want to see it goes above it and stay there. So that's a 27.40, 42, 27.40. I still wouldn't short this market tomorrow. I'm gonna short it on Friday if I see a green day on Thursday. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.